In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Perplexity API key. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect during billing, and how to safely copy and store your key so you're ready to build. First, open your browser and head to perplexity.ai. On the homepage, choose Sign Up if you're new, or Log In if you already have an account. If you're creating an account, keep your email or authentication app handy for any verification prompts. Use a strong password, and consider enabling two-factor authentication later for extra security. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Next, let's find the API settings. Look to the bottom left corner of the interface for your profile icon. Click it to open the account menu, then select Settings. Inside Settings, locate the tab labeled API or API Keys. This is the dedicated area where you'll manage access to the developer features. If you don't immediately see the API section, give the page a second to load or try refreshing. Sometimes new permissions appear after the initial sign-in. Before you can generate a key, you'll need to set up billing. In the Billing or Payments area, add a valid payment method. Depending on your account and region, you may be prompted to purchase API credits. Keep in mind that API access usually requires credits before generating a key, so it's normal to see a prompt asking you to add funds. Take a moment to review any pricing or rate limits shown so you understand how usage is counted and can avoid unexpected charges. If you're working on a team, confirm who owns the billing profile to keep costs organized. Once billing is set up, return to the API Keys section. Click the button labeled Create Key or Generate API Key. The platform will create a new key for you, and it will appear on screen. Copy it right away and store it somewhere secure. Treat your key like a password. Do not share it publicly, don't post it in screenshots, and avoid hard-coding it directly in your source files. A safe approach is to place it in an environment variable or a secrets manager so it stays protected. If the interface lets you add a label or name for the key, choose something descriptive, like the project or environment it's for, to keep things tidy. That's it. You've logged in, opened the API settings, set up billing with credits, and generated your Perplexity API key. You're now ready to integrate it into your tools and start building with confidence.